In this guide, we're going over the best class, and this is kind of in a tier list style for Roblox Go Catch, so that you know which classes are worth using while catching creatures and surviving the wild. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. I want to begin by saying there's not necessarily any, bad class. In fact, I classify these from C tier up to S tier, and we're going to start with C tier. And let's just start it off with the most basic. Runner is C tier. It gives, some extra speed while your health is low, but the trade-off is, the reduced survivability. Hunter also is pretty good. It comes with a rifle, but it has weaker overall health. And Survivor is the last one in C tier, and it's just a basic starter class with a spear and minimal bonuses. Moving on to B tier though, these classes are solid, but a little bit more situational, so it kind of just depends on the situation you're in. Bulker is going to give you a 50% health boost, making it pretty useful for survivability. Hider allows you to move stealthily, which can obviously help when approaching rare creatures, and Vegan slows down your hunger drain, letting you stay in the field a lot longer while grinding. That's it for B tier. A tier is pretty good. There offers a ton of strong and reliable bonuses. Soldier, in my opinion, is the best. That's what I run because it does provide night vision and extra health regeneration, helping you stay alive longer during exploration. Forever Hulk, though, is going to focus on massive health, letting you take damage easily. And Lumber, of course, is also pretty good because it's great for players who want faster resource farming while building their bases. Now, the best out of all of these classes, which is S tier, is going to be, Hungerman, Carnivo, and Thunder, because these are mythic classes and they deal extremely high damage, making it a lot easier to weaken creatures before you do capture them. Their abilities are going to help you clear enemies quickly and make farming a lot more efficient. So if you're looking for the strongest setup, obviously, re-roll your class spins until you land like an S tier class, since those will provide you the biggest advantage in the game for farming and capturing creatures. But that is the Go Catch class tier list and which classes are worth aiming for here in Go Catch. If this guide did help you out and break things down, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.